My blue-eyed friend is fascinated by the Princess Egg's crown. She wants the same for herself right now. Cut out a crown template. Trace it on the back of a glittering foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Make holes for a clasp and hairpins. Assemble the crown. Glue foam rubber sheet circles to the pointy ends from the inside. The blue-eyed girl and Belle turn into two princesses within an instant. The friends take royal selfies. The only thing left is to wait for their knights in shining armor. The friends are excited, but what are they doing? One is drawing with colored crayons, and the other is trying to make a bow for a present. Seized by creativity, the blue-eyed girl accidentally mixes up her friend's crayons with a glue stick. She puts the wax stick into a hot glue gun and wonders why the glue has turned purple. Belle's picture has gone wrong too, so the girls decide to combine their efforts. We will need a canvas, a hot glue gun, and colored crayons. Take the wrapper off of a crayon. Pair it so that it fits in the glue gun. Heat up the gun and squeeze out colorful drops of hot wax onto the canvas. Add more colors. The canvas is turning into an awesome wax picture. You can create a true masterpiece using a hot glue gun and wax crayons. Well, girls, it's high time to get ready for fame and success on the next exhibition of abstract art. In case your favorite flower refuses to bloom, you may create an unusual flower pot to your taste. Print a stress relief coloring and cut it out to fit a flower pot. Make cuts so that the paper doesn't wrinkle. Glue the coloring to the pot. And cover the gap with a missing detail. The blue-eyed girl has nothing to draw on. She's run out of paper. The only thing left is her body. She starts drawing a colorful tattoo on her hand, but Belle hurries up to help her out. She brings two stress relievers in one, a flower and a piece of art. The girls start coloring the flower pot at once. The flower will certainly bloom quicker in this bright stress relief pot. My friend is thrashing around the room. The pages of my book keep turning over by themselves because of her movements. She completely forgot about an important meeting, and now she is going to be late. I've got a transforming calendar for cases like this. Paint a wooden frame with acrylic paint. Mark the size of the frame on thick cardboard and cut it out. Attach felt to the cardboard. Hot glue the cardboard to the frame. Cut the hook part of Velcro into small squares and hot glue a bottom to the back of each square. Attach the Velcro to the felt. Write numerals on each button using black acrylic paint from 1 to 31. Write days of the week on the top of the felt and attach a Velcro piece with the name of the month. Make some more buttons with hearts to mark important dates. You definitely won't mix up the days with a calendar like this. It doesn't have expiry dates. Just change the Velcro name each month. The blue-eyed girl has no appetite. Maybe because she's fallen in love, or maybe she doesn't like the look of her boring meal on the plate. But Belle knows how to help her friend. The meal should not only be nourishing, but attractive. This is why she's made a sausage bear for her friend. Spread out mashed potatoes to cover half of the plate. It's a lawn. Take 2 pieces of bologna and cut smaller circles out of them using a cup. Arrange bigger circles as a body and a head, and the smaller ones as ears. It's a bear. Cut the remaining sausage rings into 4 pieces and shape them like the bear's legs with claws. Attach the legs to the bear's body. Cut a circle out of cheese and make a muzzle. Put half of a yolk to make a nose. And finish the ears with cheese. Draw eyes with black food coloring. Add muzzle details and claws. Decorate the plate with hearts cut out of cheese. Make green grass out of dill sprigs and plant bologna flowers. The blue-eyed girl enjoys her meal now. With an unusual serving like this, your lunch will be funny and attractive. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments how you are going to have fun on a boring day. Will you make a mini camera, put on a crown, or give your friend an infinite calendar? Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you always have some funny Troom Troom ideas in stock.